Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for emotional healing. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Begin by centering yourself with your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment, and then exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Continue this deep, rhythmic breathing, bringing your awareness to the present moment. Bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension and allow them to soften and relax. Start with your feet and slowly move your focus up to your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, arms, shoulders, neck, and head. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed and grounded. Now, gently bring your awareness to your emotions. Notice any feelings of sadness, anger, or pain that you may be holding on to. Acknowledge these emotions without judgment. It's okay to feel them. Allow yourself to recognize these emotions and then let them pass like clouds drifting in the sky. Imagine a warm, healing light surrounding you. This light represents love, compassion, and healing energy. Visualize it gently entering your body with each inhale and spreading throughout your entire being. Feel this light soothing any areas of emotional pain or stress, bringing a sense of comfort and relief. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am worthy of love and compassion. I am healing with each breath. I release my pain and embrace peace. I am strong and resilient. I am surrounded by love and support. Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, reinforcing your sense of emotional healing. Focus on cultivating self-compassion. Offer yourself the same kindness and understanding you would give to a dear friend. Acknowledge that it's okay to make mistakes and that you are learning and growing. Embrace yourself with love and forgiveness, knowing that you are doing your best. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of emotional healing and inner peace with you throughout your day. Remember that you have the power to heal and move forward. Thank you for joining this meditation.